Okay, so another important feature here is splitting and merging columns. So when working with the data, you might find the need of splitting the values in a column or merging them. So you can do this simply here in query editor. Suppose, for example, we'll take this order date column. So now suppose you want to split them, split the date part in one column and the time part in another column. So to do this, we have this option here, split columns. So when you click on this split columns, it will ask you to split column either by delimiter or by number of characters. So suppose you have any text and you can simply just count the number of characters from by which you have to split the columns, you can do that. Or if you want to split the column by delimiter, you can do that. So in our case, we will use by delimiter. So when you click on that, this window will pop up. So now, as you can see, between our date and our time, there is a space. So when it will ask us to select or enter delimiter, we'll click on space. So now it will ask us to split at, we can click on the leftmost delimiter and simply click on OK. So now as you can see, the columns are now splitted into two columns, order date 1, order date 2. Our date is in the other next in new column and our time is in new column. So now to we can pretty easily rename our columns as well. So just double click on the header and rename it as order date and rename this one as order time. So now we have two different columns. Just like it is important sometimes to split the columns, it is also sometimes needed to merge the columns. So to do that, what we have to do is select both the columns which we have to merge. Suppose these two columns only, we have to merge order date and order time. So what we have to do is just select both of them with the help of shift. Now when both of them are selected, click on transform and then click here. You can see the option merge columns, and when you click on this, it will again ask you what separator do you want to use and you have to keep the name of the new column. So the separator is, we can keep the separator as space and we will just simply name it as order date, just one column. So when you click OK, just like this, our order date and time, they are in one column. One thing you will notice is as doing all this operation, our data type has changed here. It's changed to ABC, which is text format, but this is a date format. So when you notice anything like this, quickly just turn it again into date and time. And when you do that, this will again change into the date and time format. So this way you can split and merge columns. Another feature here which I want to tell you is, suppose in this particular date column, all you want to do is take out just the days of the month. Suppose in the first row it's 7th of May, so you want to take out this value 7, this one 25, 10, 28. Just you just need the dates. So to do that, just simply click on the column and here you will see the option of date. In transform you will see the option of date. Just click on that and click on the day and then click on this particular day. So it is written here, it will extract the day component from the date time value. So when you click on this, it will just give you the but only day off from those dates. So one important thing which I want to tell you is, always make a duplicate of your column and then work on it. So right now what I've done is I haven't made any duplicate, so it has overwritten on those on my previous column. So I'll undo my step. Now first I will take a duplicate by right clicking on it. So this is my duplicate. I'll now work on this duplicate and take my day and now I have the day value, and now I'll simply rename it as order day. So this was all the ways you can simply split or merge the columns. Just practice these and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.